In this recipe video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about smoking pulled pork in the winter. I mean, you can totally follow this recipe in the summer and it's going to work absolutely beautifully for you. But this is what I do to stay warm in the winter months, to get beautiful pulled pork. I mean, look at those strands. Absolutely phenomenal. This one was juicy, tender, and delicious. Guys, if you love good barbecue recipes, make sure you like and subscribe. My name is Saucy Rossi, and I'm the Canadian King of Backyard Barbecue. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Check out this delicious pork shoulder. Oh, buddy. I picked this up from Costco, sliced it into 2 portions because I live in a 2-person household and I don't need to make that much pulled pork at once. But bud, we're going to start by simply trimming down this pork shoulder. Now, trimming down your pork shoulder is not required, but it's a personal preference of mine. I like trimming down the larger pieces of fat on the exterior. In my opinion, it gets for a better even cook, but that's up to you. All right, I'm using a binder today. I'm using jalapeno and apple hot sauce by Maritime Madness, and this stuff is absolutely delicious. So lather it on all sides, top and bottom. The purpose of a binder is to help the dry rub stick. So getting every little crevice on this piece of pork is really important. Now, I'm using 2 dry rubs today, garden herb and sweet chipotle. Both of these are kind of give me like a sweet and savory mixture. Both are from Maritime Madness as well. And look, if you're not familiar with Maritime Madness, they're one of my favorite seasoning companies. They make absolutely delicious hot sauces, seasonings, and barbecue sauces. They got a whole lineup. I recommend you check them out. As you can see here, I've seasoned this pork shoulder beautifully. Now let's throw it out on our Pit Boss pellet smoker. And today I'm using Hickory pellets. I always use different types of pellets, and personally, I haven't smoked a hickory pork shoulder in a while, so I thought I'd go pretty straightforward and simple. Those hickory pellets set at 250 degrees, low and slow in this beautiful Canadian winter. Guys, this one was actually spectacular. And when you're out here with the pellet smoker, oh buddy, patience is key. This was about a 7 or an 8 hour smoke. And during that process, I was spritzing it every 30 minutes to 45 minutes after the first 2 hours. So to be specific, I'm putting the pork shoulder on the smoker. I'm letting it smoke for 2 hours. Then every 30 minutes to 45 minutes, I'm hitting it with a quick spritz of apple cider vinegar. In my opinion, that's probably the best way to get the best pulled pork results. Delicious bark. It's going to stay juicy. It's going to be tender and delicious. Like seriously, guys, it's going to be spectacular. And as you can see here, we're definitely developing bark. That intermuscular fat is rendering down phenomenally. This is exactly what I want to see. And I'm really stoked about it. I mean, what else do you want? Delicious pork ready to go. You know, I don't know if you guys like meal prep or not, but pulled pork is a fantastic meal prep option. You get so much meat for such a reasonable price. I cannot emphasize that enough. So after 7 to 8 hours, we're up around 180 degrees internal. I'm going to pull it off into some tin foil just like this. I'm going to throw down just a couple sticks of butter. Nothing crazy here. I'm only going in with 3, 2 on the top, 1 below. So the ones on top kind of melt down. I'm hitting it with just a touch more of that sweet chipotle dry rub. Nothing too crazy. Then going in with a splash of that apple and jalapeno hot sauce. Again, nothing too crazy. A little more hot sauce than I did on the dry rub. But guys, oh, give this a wrap. Maybe in 2 layers of tinfoil as well. I only show 1 tinfoil layering here. But, oh man, we're going to throw that in a preheated oven at 275 degrees. And we're going to take it up to that internal temperature of 203 degrees. Then we're going to pull it off and let it rest down probably close to 140 degrees. So we've smoked it. We've braised it in the oven with that butter and jalapeno apple hot sauce. Oh man. We let it rest down to a reasonable temperature. And guys, pulled pork is exactly what we got here. I mean, look at this stuff. Absolutely spectacular. I'm going to grab a hunk here in a second and just kind of shred it up. And I can't emphasize to you how stringy and perfect it just looks. Check this out. When you smoke pulled pork, this is the exact result you want. Those long strands that are simply pulling apart beautifully just at your fingertips. Oh, dude, this turned out perfect. And if you like this recipe video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm constantly dropping recipes you can follow at home too. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi. I'm the Canadian King of Backyard Barbecue. Thanks again.